Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So, polish up. Polish up, to refine something, make it better. He wants to polish up the painting. Yeah, making it better. Yes, I will polish up the books before I release them. Yeah. I should polish up these lessons, or polish off, or polish up these lessons. I polished up these lessons before I started to share them, really. Yeah. They need to be polished up. Yes. We will be polishing them up soon. Yes, polishing them up soon, yeah. We need to polish them up. Polish them up. Well, every now and then. Yeah. They need to be polished up. Need to be polished up, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, we spent the summer polishing it up, yeah. So, we might need to spend the winter polishing up our performance. Our performance. Yeah, making it better. I am polishing it up with more paint. Yes, he is. Yes, he is, yeah. I am always polishing up my Spanish. Yeah. How cool is that? Every day gets better and better, more refined, better and better every day. Yeah. Tomorrow they will polish it up with me. Yeah. So I will polish up my Spanish with them tomorrow. They can teach me a lot about the language. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so polish up. Now, can you write polish up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.